Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do some price analysis on Uniswap. We'll have a look at some potential areas that you could invest and some targets going forward. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So Uniswap, which is ticker UNI, currently has a token price of $11.46. We have been on a monumental rise. That is mainly down to the amount of volume that Uniswap is getting, and a lot of people are buying that token, so it is looking good at the minute. If you look at the maximum supply, we have a maximum supply of 1 billion Uni, and currently in circulation we have 286.4 million. The 24-hour volume is massively up, 74%. We're currently getting $4.1 billion worth of volume, and that brings the market cap today to $3.3 billion. If we just have a look down at where the most of the volume is getting traded, it's on quite a few exchanges, so if you're looking to get hold of some, it's on all the big ones. It's on Coinbase Pro, Binance, Bitfinex, Bitfun. This is on a lot. When this got listed last year, I can't remember which month, around August potentially, it got listed instantly on all the big ones, Binance, Coinbase Pro. It was pretty much on them the day of release, so that was good. It is worth noting that this was an airdrop as well, so if you did use Uniswap prior to a certain date, I think it was in September, then you was eligible to get the airdrop. I've had mine and sold mine, a lot less than what it was. I think I sold mine around $6, so I mean it could have been worth holding on to for now, but money at that time was free money, so it is what it is. So just one point, I think we are very, very close to all-time highs. With all-time high, $12.89, so we're not too far away from that, but we'll jump over to the charts now and have a look at some potential areas that you could invest, and then some potential areas that we could target going forward. I think the all-time high is inevitable soon, so we'll have a look at that and then have a look at some higher levels than that. Here we have Uniswap versus Tether. This is a daily time frame on Binance. I do pretty much most of my TA on the Binance charts, as I do most of my trading there. So this year we have been on quite a significant run from the beginning of, when was this week here? 11th of January popped down. I think that's when Bitcoin had the correction from 42k down to around 30. Everything else followed it, but we are on quite a significant run now. If you take the very lows, so from $1.76 back in November, to current prices, look at this fall move. 624% since November. That is an absolute savage move. What I did, I actually sold mine around here, $6-ish. It was quite, I think it actually was back here, to be honest, at that level. I remember it shooting up to $8 and I thought, stuff this, I'm selling it. We retraced all the way down. It could have been a good area to buy in there, but personally, I've not been looking into the to holding it long term. So if we do get a push back down to these levels, I might potentially look at investing. But if you've been holding all the way through that drop and all the way back up, you will be in some nice profit now. I think it was around 400 that you got. I sold mine at $6.30 and I got about $2,500. So some people are going to be sitting some nice stacks currently. So what I need to do, let's get rid of that. And let's have a look, see if we've got any areas that we could invest. And for this, we're going to drop right down into 4 hour because we don't have a ton of data. And as you can see, I've got a nice level of daily support down here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this as the start of a move. And we're going to put the Fibonacci on and have a look at some levels that we could potentially get into invest. So we'll use this bottom here, use a fib all the way up to the top. So that is the top of the move. And we are now starting to retrace. We've done quite a good move recently. Since, what date was that? 21st of Jan. We've done quite a good move. Look at that, over the course of 83% since then. So that's a savage move over the course of the last week. It has been doing very well. But things must come down. So if you're looking to invest in this project, if you watch my videos before, I always target the 382 level of Fibonacci. So that is the first level that if you're looking to invest, that could be a good level to target at $10.67. And then if the market does allow, and it retraces further, we also have a 618 level, which is bang on some daily support at $9.29. So there could be really some good levels to target if you're looking to buy in. I can't see us doing a full retracement. The market's looking bullish now. If you just take a look at Ethereum, 1,388, having a bit of retracement since it hit all-time highs. But I think that will push on soon, and once Ethereum pushes on, all the ERC20 tokens along will start pushing. As we know, that Uni is an ERC20 token. So that's two levels to potentially buy in. The next major target, in my opinion, is $15. You've got to target the round numbers, and I think that is a good, nice level to target. So if we put that on there as a first target at $15, that is where I think the next major target is. First target. Once we do break above that, I will jump into some more price analysis and have a look at some higher targets. But currently, we are on a bit of a retracement, so you would expect that some of these levels do get filled. You can also target the 0.5 level on fib at 9.98, but potentially, sometimes it just breaks through it and goes straight to a 618. I'm not a massive fan of a 0.5, but I just leave it on for midway position if you are looking to bang an order in between those two areas that I give. What we will need to do though is first break above these all-time highs at $12.89. Once we do break a daily candle above that, we are pushing up to 15 in my opinion. I think that is a good area to target. So that is the Tether pair, some potential areas that you could buy, and then some potential areas to target. $15 being the first major target on there. If we just take a look at the BTC pairing, because some people do trade in BTC, because stacking sats does matter. I've not got any support and resistance levels on here, but again, what we'll use is a fib. And we'll go from the bottom and move here. This is pretty much doing exactly the same as the Tether pair. We've shot up with the all-time highs at, could cover at 39,632 satoshis, and we are coming down. If BTC does start to push up, I mean, it's closing on 33k now. If that keeps pushing up, potentially we could come down to 33,000 satoshis, and then we have another 618 level down at 28,985 satoshis. I think they're two good areas that you could potentially have some buy orders placed, but we just need to monitor price. Bitcoin is taking it out on all the alts and a few are bleeding, but it's been quite a good weekend for crypto, so Bitcoin's starting to rule the roost again a little bit. The first major target though, 50,000 satoshis. Once we do, I mean, it's pretty much on that 618 level on the negative fib, so we'll mark that level up there. That again is the first target on the BTC pair. So first target, 50k sats. I think once we do push it there, then we can do some more price analysis. What I will do is, if we hit 50k sats or we hit $15, what I will do then is jump into some further analysis, whichever breaks first. So if you are an investor of Uniswap, or if you're interested in Uniswap and holding some, then if we do break some levels, give me a shout in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops, and I will jump into some more price analysis and have a look at some higher levels that we can target. We do not have a ton of data on Uniswap. It is a fairly new project since, let's just drop onto the weekly time frame. We listed back in September, sorry. So, I mean, September's not a huge amount of data. Look at that, that is pretty much nothing, really. If you look on Forex, for example, a lot of them pairs, you've got years and years of data, whereas crypto, even Bitcoin and Ethereum, I mean, we've only got 11 years data worth of BTC. It's not a lot, really, and we've only traded up in this area for the space of about 4 weeks, so this is unknown territory as well. Same with Ethereum. We've not broken above unknown territory yet, but I think we will do soon. So if we just go back to Uni, have I got them there? There we go. So there are some potential areas that you could invest in, both Tether and in the BTC pairing. That's going to do it for today's video. If you do have any questions, like I say, jump into my Telegram group. You'll find my link in the pinned comment and the description. Please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.